When armed conflict broke out in eastern Ukraine in 2014, millions of people were thrown into turmoil. Many lost their homes, which were destroyed in the fighting. 1.5 million people fled the region. Those left behind near the conflict's contact line, often the elderly and most vulnerable, were left without basic services and utilities, police assistance, jobs, or a functioning local government. Since 2015, UNDP has been helping people in the east of Ukraine recover and rebuild. We work closely with local communities to foster economic security. In addition, we work with Ukraine's government to improve their functioning and facilities, and to ensure that they can deliver social services, policing, and justice systems to those hard-hit local communities. In 2020, UNDP ensured that nearly 300,000 people received quality administrative and social services through the restoration and construction of 14 administrative service centres across eastern Ukraine. We utilised innovative solutions such as specially designed mobile centres that bring administrative services closer to the people most affected by the conflict, including 6 near the contact line. 4 more will come into service in 2021. We also provide legal advice centers at checkpoints on the contact line.
Просто я выехала, мне вот надо свидетельство о рождении ребенка, родила ребенка там на территории. Куда идти и что, я не знаю просто. Конечно, удобно, я приехала здесь, и мне сразу на месте, я знаю прямо, куда мне пойти, обращаться, мне не надо ходить там по инстанциям разным, где меня будут посылать с одного кабинета в другой. Это очень удобно, спасибо большое, что есть такой пункт.
As part of UNDP's holistic community security approach, we support the State Emergency Service of Ukraine. This ensures that people living close to the contact line can still receive services such as healthcare. This not only provides a lifeline for the vulnerable individuals, but also strengthens the bond between the state and its citizens.
Большое спасибо вам за помощь, за все и за внимание. Это по-честному. Если бы не вы откликнулись очень мгновенно, то я бы уже давно там был. У меня 2 инфаркта. Вот здесь я перенес. Вот, все остальное потом уже подлечился нормально.
In 2020, as COVID-19 spread, UNDP quickly moved to help local authorities fight the pandemic. We supplied thousands of items of protective equipment, as well as 160 oxygen concentrators, 5 ventilators, and 10 patient monitors. UNDP has made a long-term commitment to serve the people of Ukraine, to support governance, service provision, and justice institutions. In doing so, we will provide the most up-to-date expertise to address crises and ensure no one is left behind.